Hello, my name is Janice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make tostadas with cactus. For this simple and easy meal, you're going to need these items. First, you're going to need cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, tomatoes, parsley, cactus, and tostadas. First step, you're going to get your cactus leaves and you're going to wash them, and then once you wash them, you take all the thorns off the cactus. Once you have all the cactus washed, you're going to dice your cactus and then you're going to pour them into a pan just like what I did. Once you have that done, you're going to put it on the stove and you're going to cook it for at least about 10 minutes until the leaves start turning light green and they start getting soft. So now what basically we're going to do is you're going to stir the cactus while it's cooking on the stove. So we'll wait for a few minutes until this starts turning light green, and then we'll proceed with the rest of the meal. Okay, we are back now, and it has been about 10 minutes. The cactus is fully cooked because it's light green, as you can see. And now I'm going to remove the pot from the stove, and I'm going to transfer it here. Now, to make the tostadas with cactus, you're going to get your cactus out of the pot. But first of all, make sure you stir it before you put on the tostadas. Next, you're going to get mayonnaise and you're going to put it on top of your tostadas. Then you're going to spread the mayonnaise on the tostadas, just like that. And you don't have to put a lot of mayonnaise. If you don't like a lot of mayonnaise on the tostadas, that's fine. Now you're going to scoop out some cactus from your bowl here. Make sure you take the juice out of the cactus, otherwise your tostadas are going to be pretty soggy. So you just pour the cactus on the tostadas, just like this. Once you have the cactus on the tostadas, then you're going to get some parsley and you're going to put some on the tostadas, just like this. Then you put some tomatoes. And the last step is we're going to put some cheddar cheese on top. Now with these tostadas, you can either eat them just like this, or you can put some salsa on top, and that would be a really delicious meal. Well, thank you for watching my video, and if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.